Hi guys, today I want to show you how to unfold the surface with our AutoCAD plugin. This is Smart Unfold for AutoCAD. You can download our software from our website, smartunfold.com. And this is actually the kind of solid model here. So our software cannot unfold the solid model. So once you have the solid model, in this case here, you have to use the AutoCAD command explode to extract the surface. So it's very simple here, like this one here, explode, and then you can have, then the surface is going to be extracted from the solid model. So once we load our software into AutoCAD, then you have the command unfold surface here. So, and then they will ask you to select the surface. In this case, you should select the middle of the surface here. And after you select the surface here, hit the return, and they will ask you to select whether you have curve to be unfolded together with the surface. And that's very useful if you want to unfold the seam line or landing curve or any other curve that on the surface, then you can select. In this case, we don't have it. We just hit return, and then you get the results here. So that is actually, let me check here, the length here, how much it does, 300 something. This is 50 something. So this one here should be exact here. It's very small differences, and virtually no differences here. So this is actually one of the surface here, and then we can handle this one here. So this is, we just move away from this guy here. So move away to make a space here. Okay, similarly use explode, and then you can select this one here, and then you have a surface here selected here. There's actually two surfaces. One is inside, one is outside here, like this one you can see here, both of them here. So we just unfold one of them here. So just unfold surface, and then you hit the return, select middle of the surface, and then hit return and select the curve. You don't have it, you just hit return, then you get it here. So, and let me check with that here. Length equals to outside is 300 something. How about the inside here? 290. And this is actually the second one here. And let me move away from, let's make a space here, and then we can just come to this one. So this one here is, let me explode, and then hit return. Okay, now you have a surface here, right? So, and then you can just unfold this one here. Actually, there's two surfaces here. So one of them is on top of that here, but you can unfold them as well. So just unfold surface, let this one here, let me see here, hit return. Oh, you get this one here. So that is actually then the top smaller surface here. So we just move this away, and okay, and then we can unfold. Just a moment here, move away. So we select this one here, just make a space. Okay, so then we can select the other surface here. So unfold surfaces, and then you can select this one here. So, and then you hit the return. There's no curve to select, and then hit the return. Then you have the surface here. This is actually the unfolded one here. Let me see here, and this is length is 301, so similar lengths here. So the last one here is this one here. So we going to use the similar commands here, like explode, and hit return. Then you get the surface here, and then you can unfold it here. So unfold surfaces, and then you select this one here, and then you hit return, then you hit return again, and then you have another one here. So let me see here, the length here is 290. All right, this is actually the without software you can easily unfold these kind of surfaces. Should be no problem. If you have any question, please email us, then support@smartunfold.com. That's for today. Thank you. Bye.